is practicing to align your mind towards your infinite potential. And that can be anything. An artist who is continuously painting, to reach a perfection in painting is sadhana. And what is he doing? The day when he held the brush, he wanted to paint. There was a painter within him calling him to paint. I want to paint, I want to paint, I want to paint. Okay, then take a brush, try to paint. First day I paint, it doesn't come well. I get disheartened. I'm not able to paint well if I don't paint. Then that painter is not actually calling, it is just somebody in front. You understand? They're two kids. Father will say, paint beta, paint. Try to paint. Okay, on the insistence, father bought me color pencils, I will take color pencil, I will try to paint. It doesn't come well, I lose interest in painting. I don't have a calling for the painting. The painter is not there. I'm painting, but I didn't paint well. Still I continued painting. And by continuing, I could draw something which looks similar to what I want to paint. I get extra motivated by that. It is looking just similar to what I want to paint, but still I get extra motivated and I continue to go there. You are trying to explore the intelligence that's already calling you from within. That's sadhana for you. And there is also an existential intelligence that's calling you within. You are abundance, you are infinite. Come explore me. I am ready because I'm you. That's also called sadhana. And you trying to lose all your money and becoming poor, that is also called sadhana. Huh? Yes. Why? Sanatana Advaita Vedanta, I'll not go there, but I can't help myself not going there. But still, mind trying to keep itself in a state of being or in a state of rolling in a direction is called sadhana. A poor person is trying to do sadhana to stay poor. Because no matter, a pessimist, if you observe, a pessimist or a person who is already depressed, you give him 100 opportunities also because he is impacted by a heavy depression. Whatever he says, but still it is bad, not possible. A pessimist will find a problem in every opportunity. And an opportunist will find a benefit or an opportunity in every pessimistic or a negative thing. Yes or no? So mind continues to try to keep itself in a specific order. You consciously putting effort to keep it in a specific order is sadhana, or else mind is in its own sadhana of trying to keep itself in order, in a specific order.